Welcome, friends. I'm going to give you a little tour of the Sandbox for the VR Academy, the Decentraland University, showing one parcel scene assignment submissions from the students in the course. This build has stairs you can climb up. And a stairwell. You have a pretty good view of the world here. And a tree that you can, oh, you really do have a good view here. There's an egg that if you click on it, even from this distance, it will take a little trip. Let's see if we can get up this tree. Oh, I'm up inside the tree now. Piece of furniture. Can I get on top? No, it's a little too tall. And a stepping pad, a magical portal or something. And a book. Another book with runes on it. A rune on it. And some NFT displays. Let's go down and look at some of the things. This sign has three-dimensional text on it, made in Blender, using the Blender text tool and extruding it and attaching it to an object and making a rotating sign. It has motor sounds and some spinning pinwheels or hypnosis wheels, or if you click on them multiple times they go faster and faster. If that's not enough to give you a seizure, let's see if we can get in closer here and really get a good effect. Okay. And the traveling egg. Click on it. Let's see if we can click on it from the inside. Oops, too far. Back up a little bit. Click. Nope. Click. Yep. Interesting. On the rear side of the spinning wheels, here's the central parcel of the sandbox. A gazebo with a sign, QR code for the course materials, and the students who have turned in enough assignments to get a parcel in the sandbox. There's the moon and a monolith and another stairwell to climb. This is a little higher, a little harder. I think I'm supposed to use the black box to get over there. No. Sure what to do here. Jump. Oh, I jumped too far. There's a jetpack. Has the builder HUD indicator on it. Oh, builder HUD's here. Let's see if we can raise it up. How far can we go? Too bad we can't strap it on. Oh, perhaps we can use a builder HUD and a platform with collisions to raise ourselves up during a build. Let's put it back, but of course anybody else coming in the scene is going to see it on the ground anyway. These changes are not permanent. I should do a save and put it back into the... Oh, there's the indicator up there at the sword at the top now. Seems to be stuck there. It's interesting. Okay, let's see what else we have here. This is a beautiful animation. All the spheres are made in an iterative loop in the script and tinted that way. And here's a building. I wonder if we can jump up into it, maybe from here. Too high, I think. Nothing to jump onto. Maybe you can jump onto the first floor. Yeah. These look a little too high to jump to, but you can see a reflection of Buenos Aires in the mirrored surface and a heroic beast. What else we got? A giraffe and a little straw-covered house. I wonder if we can get up on the giraffe. Is it too tall to jump onto? Yeah, it's way too tall. We could hang out here for a while. Some of these parcels to the north, I think, were pre-populated with builder contest scenes. Lovely reflections on this object. And I think that's it. Thanks for joining me.